Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install DBeaver Community Edition version number 26, which is the latest version at the time of making this video on Windows operating systems. Then we will see how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server. Go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. Then see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is the open source version. Click on download. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 26.0.1. Click on download exe file. See download started, go to download. See here its size is about 111 megabytes. Now click on this exe file to install. Click on next. This is the license agreement. Select, click on this I agree. Choose users for everyone. Click on next. Next. I want to select all components. Click on next. This is the installation location. If you want some other, you can click on browse and select. Then click on next. This is the name in the start menu folder. Click on install. We have successfully installed. See here we have the DBeaver. Click on it to open. See we got the DBeaver. See the version 26.0.1. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, click on new database connection. Database, then new database connection, or just you need to click on this plugin button. Then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. PostgreSQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine, or loopback IP or the host name. You can provide the host name. Port number 5432. Show all databases. I have the database. Postgres, username also Postgres, provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on download driver files. Successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Click on OK, click on finish. So you got the connection, expand connection, expand databases. See here we have these databases. If you want to run queries against this database, right click. SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries against this database. See, I have table customer. Let us run query against this table. Select the query and click on this execute. See, we got the output. Okay. The same way, if you want to connect MySQL, click on this plugin button again. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. Now we have to fill all these details. This is the way. If you want to disconnect, right click, disconnect. See, it is disconnected. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 26 on Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, for more database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.